In this video, I will tell you a way to stop annoying ads on Android phones. The first step, we will go and open the phone settings, click on the settings like this, and scroll down until we reach the word Google. We will click on Google and wait for it to open. After that, we click on All Services and scroll down a little. We will find here the word Ads. We will click on the word Ads. Here we will find the phrase Delete Advertising ID. We will click on it Delete, and again we click Delete Advertising ID. Alright, this is the first step to get rid of ads. After that, we will use this arrow to go back, and again we go up a little. We will find here the phrase More Connections or Other Wireless Connections, whatever the name is on your phone. We click on it like this. You will find the phrase Private DNS mode. We will click on it, and then we will choose the option Private Set. Here it asks me for the private DNS. We will write in this field, my friends, dns.adguard.com, and after that we will click Save, and that's it. Now the annoying ads will stop completely. Don't forget to support us with a like and subscribe to the channel.